Are you an expert wanting to increase your customer or client base? An enthusiast looking to learn from seasoned professionals? Or someone considering better quality gigs? Welcome to WGC Interactive. Follow a simple 3-step process to achieve your objectives. Converse with those who may help you to better serve your audience. Connect with others with the experience and tools to help you deliver a more comprehensive range of services. Collaborate with specialists to scale your efforts to meet the needs of a broader market. The prospects are endless. WGC Interactive, where virtual possibilities meet viable realities.